How to switch between front and back camera while recording on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily switch between your front and back camera while recording a video on Android. So without any further delay, let's just get right into it. First thing first, you need to go over to your camera option and open it up. Now, once your camera is open, to flip your camera, you actually have two options. It depends on the phone that you have. So in many phones, you can find this camera flip icon at the right side of your shutter button. You can just tap on it and it's going to flip your camera. Tap on it again and it's going to flip a video. What I'm going to do is go over to down below. While I start recording, it might cut off my voice because of the video recording, but I'll just show you how you can flip it. You can also swipe up and down on the screen to flip your camera, just like that. Now I'm just going to head over to the video section, and I'll just hit record here. Now to flip the camera, I can just go ahead and swipe up, and I can also tap on the button right besides the stop or start button. And it's as well. So that's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.